Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you're looking for some motivation to drink some more water, I have the perfect water bottle for you. This is from Chokoter, and this water bottle is not only a super large size to help you drink water, but it also will motivate you in more ways than you think. The water bottle is a half-gallon size, and what's really neat about it is that not only does it show you how much that you're drinking on one side, but on the other side, it has motivational words for every 2 hours of drinking water. The cup has a really large cap on the top, making it really easy to not only put water in here, but you could also add some fruit or some flavoring that will really help you to drink more water if you're having a hard time. In addition, this comes with a nice handle on the top that is made out of a sturdy plastic. And it even includes a neoprene bag where you can put your phone in and you can carry this bag thanks to the handy carrying strap. So if you're on the go and at the gym, you want to always keep your water with you, you will be all set. The bottle also has a really great straw option. So the straw has a squishy part at the bottom, enabling you to be able to close the cap while you're using it. So you don't have to worry about the bottle spilling. It is spill proof, but it's so nice to be able to keep that straw tucked in and only ready for when you're ready for more water. I really made it a goal for the past few weeks to drink more water, and this cup has been a real changer for me to help me to continue in my goal. I really like that it's easy to fill and making it easy to clean, and it just provides me with the right motivation that I need to drink more water. But that's my point of view.